everyone and welcome back to my channel, and this is your Honey Hands. Good morning mga mi. Energetic na energetic tayo ngayon mga mi kasi day off na naman tayo mga mi. One day off. So ngayon mga mi, for today's vlog, may ako mga mi. May imimit akong isang friend na colleague ko dati. Old friends kami mga mi for more than 3 years na. So, nag-invite siya mga mi. Every month yun nag-invite sa akin pero hindi ako nakapunta kasi nga busy ako mga mi. Tapos, 1 year na kaming hindi nagkikita mga mi. And then, ayun, excited na akong maano siya mga mi. Ma-meet siya ngayon. Namimiss ko na din yun. Mabait yun mga mi. Finnish siya mga mi. Hindi. Swedish pala. Finnish, Swedish. So, let's go na. Kasi mag-commute lang ako ngayon and wala kasing free parking doon. At ang hirap pa maghanap ng parking. Kasi nga, nasa syudad. Syudad? City, mga mi. So, I'll see you there. Andito na tayo sa bus. Ayun. Kasakay na tayo finally. Siguro darating tayo doon, 12 na talaga. Tapos 12 ang meeting time namin. Wala masyadong pasahero ngayon. Kasi 11 o'clock na in the morning. So nagsipasukan na ang lahat. Tingnan nyo yung mga kabahayan dito, mga miyang gaganda. Andito na tayo sa mall. So, hanapin natin yung restaurant na sinasabi ng friend ko. Hindi ko alam kung saan. Baka maligaw na naman tayo ngayon. Wait lang mga miha. Nasa tamang daan tayo ngayon. Hopefully. Tingnan nyo. Wala. Dulas pala ng ng coat ko. Kasi hagid yun na dahil akin. Hopefully makita natin agad. 8 minutes walk daw yun mga mi. Merong dito, fish burger. Tapos Flying Tigers. Hindi na tayo dadaan dyan mga ami kasi nagmamadali tayo. 12 kasi ang meeting time natin eh. So, ay, ang hirap dalhin tong bag na to. Madulas. So, ayan. Siguro exit tayo mga mino. Wait lang. Dito tayo dadaan. Dito mga mi. May lidil sa dito. Dito mga mi. Straight lang tayo paano mga mi. Pa-exit. Oh. Ito na siguro kasi exit na yan dyan eh. Ayan, oh. Hopefully nasa tamang tayo mga mi. Nasa tamang daan tayo. So dito tayo mga mi, no. Hopefully ito na ang tamang daanan. Background ko ngayon. Naliligaw ata tayo Doon tayo sa kapila. Naangkin. Pero pwede man siguro tayo mag-cross sa street. Ito mga yan. Feeling ko malapit na tayo mga mi. Ravenswood. Saan kaya yun? Nangkin. Love. Ito na pala ang dinadaanan ko mga miyon. Mini bar. Vienne Bari. Nangkin. Siguro ito na, no? Kebab. Forward pa tayo mga mi. Feeling ko andito lang ito. Yun eh. Kebab dito. Tapos ito coffee shop. Mga mi. Ayan. Kebab papuri. Hala. Spice noodles, master. Forward pa tayo. Ang daming nire-renovate ngayon ng mga apartments. K-Market. Kaya yung sinasabi niya nangkin. Ay. Saan kaya yun, no? Forward pa siguro tayo. Hotel Mastery. Gusto niya yung place mga niyo. Ganda na. Ay mga mi, nakita ko na yun na siya sa labas nag-aantay sa akin. Tagal na. Ayun na oh. Uy. Ayan, dito na tayo mga mi. Hindi natin siya pwede ipakita. Hi Eva! How are you?
It's nice to see you.
Uy! Yeah, I was looking for this place so long.
Yeah, it's perhaps not so easy to find.
Yeah, because I was using my HSL map. And
Uh-huh.
I cannot locate that one, so then I use this one.
Yeah.
So, shall we go now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can choose table. And I will pay for it.
Wow. Okay,
Yes.
thank you.
Yes. Okay.
Oy, thank you, Eva. Uy, nice to see you again.
Yeah. Where shall we sit?
Oh, we can. Andito na kami, mami. Ayan. Yan na. That's so cute.
Vaihtaa ja mennä tuonne toisen ikkunan viereen. Tuonne.
Ja, sopii.
Okei. Kiitos.
So, dito kami, mga mi. Ang place namin. Eva, how are you?
Somebody you know has made it by hand, you mean?
Yeah, my friend.
Oh, they are really nice.
You like it?
Thank you. Yes, I like flowers and this was really... Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.
Nice.
Yeah. Yeah. Shall we put it here on the table? Yes, of course. And some, and also have a little Christmas present from last Christmas.
It's been already 1 year. We haven't seen each other. It's been already 1 year.
Almost.
I think.
Not.
What time were you?
Could it have been November or
I think we see each other in
October.
October, yeah.
yeah? So it's 1 year. Yes. We can. Do you want to put it there? I can bring my.
Dito na siya mga mina. Lagi niya akong dinadala dito pagka every month kasi kami punta sa mag-outing kaming dalawa. Pero first time ko dito ngayon.
Or you have a so big one, please.
This is fine dining, right?
I don't know. Perhaps ordinary. I think
Ordinary?
so. Yes. Yes.
I think it's fine. Nobody is like, it's just little people coming here.
Here was some when some has left also. When I first came, you can check.
Kana, is okay ito. Because they are speaking, I finished speaking there.
Yeah.
Before it was Swedish,
Yeah.
It's very hard to adjust. It's warm here. I
perhaps
lost my way when I arrived in Campi.
Then it would have been straight with Fredrik Kato. This
Yeah, and I turned many times, I turned, what is this? I cannot locate. I arrived here around, I think 11:45. Yeah, in Campi terminal.
Yeah.
Then,
Yeah, but no
I-
problem. I'm not in a hurry, so
Where is that, restaurant?
yeah.
Because this is our first time.
Yeah.
It's nice.
Yeah, perhaps. But it was very nice this, but it has finished. I think Sien.
Sian. Yeah, I love Sian. Sian was, Sian.
Yeah, I
It
think
was-
it says in
They were close.
yeah.
I like the duck, duck, roasted duck there.
Perhaps I don't know about. I haven't taken
We've been
duck
checking
yet.
before, right? We've been checking the ducks before here. Duck.
I don't not remember.
Oh, Eva, it's been so long we haven't seen each other. Yeah, duck. We
nice.
have also
Nice
duck.
duck.
Peking and Peking.
Yeah, and these are very small,
Oh.
This was
Oh.
this was the Christmas present.
Uy,
Very
thank
late.
you.
Almost before. Almost.
I want to take
next
picture.
And this is
This was from last Christmas. Oh, thank you so
but
much,
they are
Eva.
it's just a very small thing.
I want to take picture. Nice. Thank you so much.
And this was your little birthday
Birthday
present.
present.
Also
see?
late because it was March.
Thank you, yeah. Thank
That
you so
one I
much.
wrote,
Birthday.
wrote
thank you.
before. Yeah. And I shall also ask, but I think it's not
Oh,
possible
Christmas
later on,
and birthday.
that ask with this carpet, not carpet, but not
Scarf. What is that? Yeah.
Ayo, naka sulat
That one, yeah. That one. Okay, I can show you how to use that one.
I don't know if it's possible here, but
It's yeah, it's really possible to use
Yeah.
that one. But it's multi-purpose.
what
Multi-purpose.
multi-purpose for many uses.
Yeah, for many uses.
Yeah.
Wait, actually, I want to take picture with what you have given to me.
We haven't
It's okay.
decided
No, we
yet.
haven't. Oh, I want to take picture, Eva. Oh my goodness, I don't know, but I don't know how to take photos on this one. Yeah, nice. But, oi, I cannot. Can you take me a picture with your?
Yeah. But no, I have to move it. There. Okay. Now I'm taking. Jeez. No. Was it okay?
And we take picture also.
Shall I take one more? Or
It's very nice.
yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
My